Hi everyone, it's Gail here. I am ready to put the closure on this little book, so I am just going to film. I'm doing a Tim Holtz Hitch Post Fastener. Whew. And then I'm just going to do an elastic band closure. So a lot of you have asked to see that done, so I thought I'd go ahead and film it for you. So I have my handy dandy little crocodile here. Hopefully you can see that. And so all I do is I stick the book in here. I'm just gonna kind of see. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty. The hole is going to be at a good spot in the book. So I use the width of the crocodile to be my measurement, and I bring the side of the book up to the far side of the crocodile, if that makes sense. I'm going to switch it around here just so I have a better angle to do this. And then I hold it in place, and I just give it a squeeze. This the one I'm doing is 3/16. Oh, that was a hard one. Thick book. So there you see I have the front cover hole. Okay. So then I just take the back, and you have to make sure that once again the bottom of your book is up against this backstop here, because if you do it the other way, you're likely your hole is going to be off from front to back. So once again, I just line it up with the side right here, and then I am just going to give it a little, well, I'm going to stand up to do it because this is a tough one, but there we go. So now we've got holes front and back. So then I am just going to grab out a hitch post fastener. I am thinking what I need to do is get some more, because I only have one gold one, but that's okay. That's all I need. So then you just the Tim Holtz hitch fasteners come with the hitch post and with a screw. So all you do is pop the screw in the back here, and then just twist on the knob. I'm at an awkward, unusual angle, so I'm having trouble getting it started, but still having trouble getting it started. I'm not sure why. Come on, little guy. Get on there. There we go. I think there we got it. And then you just tighten that up good and tight. And so you've got the front there, and then the back is just gonna have the little screw showing. You can cover that up if you want. I don't mind it. So then on this side, I'm gonna do an eyelet. However, I'm going to show you what I do, but I can't do it because I can't do it on this table. It's too wobbly. So what I do is I take it into the other room, my storage room that is cement. So you just put the eyelet in through the back like that. Whoops. Now, everybody's probably shouting, use your crocodile. It doesn't work for me. It just doesn't. I have a lot better luck doing it this way. So that's how I do it. So then you put the little ring on there, and what I do is I have right here my handy dandy little hammer, and I'll just take it in the other room and give it a couple of good whacks, and it'll be on there for good. So that's how I do it. Now, I am going to show you, though. I'll go do that after I'm off camera. Sorry, I'm losing the ring there. Okay, and then I just take normal hair elastics, just your normal Walmart hair elastics, And I will go through the back of the loop like so. Once the eyelet's in, and then I just see how the loop's on the inside. I just take the outside loop and pull it through. Easy as that. That's all there is to it, guys. So I hope that's helpful to those of you who asked, and we will just see you next time in the next video. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.